Did you know you don't need a chimney to enjoy a gas fireplace? Modern designs offer versatile venting options that make installation easier than ever. A direct vent fireplace uses a balanced flue system to expel combustion gases directly outside through a wall or roof. It's an efficient and safe choice for homes without a chimney. If you're looking for a simpler option, ventless gas fireplaces require no external venting and use clean burning technology to keep your indoor air safe. To install a direct vent system, professionals will use flexible pipes to connect your fireplace to an exterior vent, ensuring proper airflow and safety compliance. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your venting system efficient and your home safe. Whether you're renovating or building a new space, these options allow you to enjoy the warmth and beauty of a gas fireplace without the need for a traditional chimney. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel